Oi mateys, it's Bear Grylls today, and we are on a great find. We are in the Nevada wilderness, and we are trying to find one of the rarest animals in the world. It is called the Zao. What? Oh. It seems like we've already found one of the rarest animals in the world. I have never seen it. As much of an expert as I am, it seems that we found it. So, we're going to proceed with caution. This thing, when provoked, it will react aggressively. It will run or it will attack. So be quiet. Be quiet. This is a very exciting moment. Okay, it's so beautiful. I just want to grab it. What the? No! The Zao! It's gone, man. We gotta find this. We got to spend all day, even if it takes a whole week to find this. Let's go, let's go. Alright, guys. I think I'm onto something. I think I just found Zao tracks in the dirt. Alright, Cameron, we gotta get this. Now, this is a professional way of telling whether it's a Zao track or it's a mocking track. I'm gonna test it. Definitely a Zao. Definitely a Zao. Let's follow it. Let's go. Be silent. Okay, I think I just found it. Gotta unzip my backpack. I have to capture this thing today. Alright, we're up for business. Alright, so I'm gonna have to take this very aggressively, just like I said. We are gonna be pummeled to the ground probably by this thing. It's really good fighter. Alright, I'm going in for the kill. Or more likely the knockout. For the queen! It's a fighter, if anything. That was easier than expected. Looks like the queen is proud of me now. Alright, we are gonna now have to head out. Since it was very short, I want to capture a few more things. It's gonna take a couple days to head out there. So we will record if we find anything interesting. Let's go, camera. Oh, I can't walk no more. We've been out here for a couple days and looks like we're gonna need some water breaks. So I'm gonna take one right now. All right. Looks like they packed me an empty water bottle. Or the Zao drank it, who knows at this point. But one of my wise friends told me, if you get two rocks, hit them together, you'll get a nice, proper, pure water. And as you can see right here, we have one. And the cameraman has found the second one. All right, so it should magically work. Some survival tips out there. This one is one of the most essential. All right, couple hits should produce water. There is a single droplet. I'm not sure if you can see that, but a single droplet. Enough for one person, and that one person is me. looks like we can continue now. I feel more refreshed than ever. Wait, mate. You can see there's two majestical creatures in their natural habitat. You can see that one of them's a poodle and one of them is a Bichon. We got to get inside. I found a way in. Alright, Mighty, I see the dog. He's right over there. I just need to catch up to him sneakily. Let's do this. Come here, doggy. Come on, doggy. Oh, good boy, good boy. He likes an Aussie, doesn't he? So what's your name and occupation, sir?
What are you doing in my yard?
Shoot, get out of here! Get out of here! Run! Oh! Run, Mike! Run! Looks like I just found a rare creature again. Like, I'm finding rare ones today. That's a hoboculus. I have never found one just out in the open. This is a special one. Alright, let's try to get close up to it. They are really dumb creatures, so they might just spaz out and run around. But they're really easy to catch. I just gotta treat it like it's a normal human being. Oh, this one's a little bit wild then. What's your name? What's your occupation if you have one? Oh, shoot! Oh, mice. Oh, there you are. I'm sorry, audience. Looks like this season's coming to an end. I seem to be held captive here. And yeah, looks like this man has captured me. I'm like prey meets predator. Yeah, and my cameraman's dead. But we will see you next season for more amazing content. I'll see you guys later.